I'm James Strussel, and this is my Scrum report for Friday, May 31st, 2012. There was no Scrum yesterday as I was preparing for an interview that afternoon, but that didn't mean I couldn't squeeze a little programming in here and there. The issues between Mongoid and Rails 4 continue to give me trouble. As you may know, Rails has completely changed its mass assignment security pattern. Instead of using attr protected and attr accessible, it uses a gem called strong params, which means all attributes have to be explicitly assigned through private methods in the controller itself. So now the app does not throw any mass assignment errors anymore. My protected attributes are just dangling in the wind there. And my tests also fail. It looks like I have about 81 tests to pass before I get this app back to working the way it was. As for the user event invite table trifecta, I decided to assign an array column to the user and event tables. This means that instead of using a separate join table, I have a list of associated user IDs or event IDs linking the individual records together. However, I ran into an issue when I tried to query records using the arrays. Mongoid's where method returns a criteria object, not an array or hash of records like ActiveRecord does. This is going to keep me from using the where method when I want to call all of the friends, pending invites, or organized events a user might have. Now, when I call on a relation to a record, whether it has many or belongs to, it behaves in much the same way as an ActiveRecord query does. This got me to thinking. In the course of my research, I found that the array of IDs pattern is very similar in functionality to the has and belongs to many relation in MongoID. All of those types of relations consist of arrays of related record IDs. Perhaps I could use several different has and belongs to many relations to describe how all of these documents relate to each other, such as whether an invite or friendship is pending or cancelled. I don't think I'll take this approach quite yet, since I want to get better acquainted with Mongoid's query language. When I write my own relationship methods, I can have most of the code in front of me, not just tucked away in my gem directory somewhere. So today, I'm going to get Mongo's where method to give me an array of records so that all of my tests may pass. See you next time.